Meaning of dovish.
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 Dovish. Dovish is a term used in economics and politics to describe an approach that favors lower interest rates, easier monetary policies, and less aggressive foreign policies. It is the opposite of a hawkish approach, which favors higher interest rates, tighter monetary policies, and more aggressive foreign policies. Dovish policies are often associated with promoting economic growth, stimulating job creation, and supporting a weaker currency to boost exports. However, they can also risk inflation and could lead to higher debt levels in the long run. Overall, the dovish approach is characterized by a preference for more accommodating and less confrontational policies.